Alright, so welcome to them fast and welcome to the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan in nice R-Line business package. So let's check out this car. So we have a very nice, oh these are big, these are 20-inch alloys, they suit the car really well. We have a very new nice tail design again of this new Tiguan. And all in all, this car looks nice. It's a nice update. Right now we are going to take this car for a POV drive. So Robin, take place behind the wheel.
Hello everybody and welcome to them fast. Today we have this beautiful new Tiguan, a Volkswagen Tiguan. And in the new cars, the gear selector is in this place and it's not here anymore. So you put it in drive, actually it is an S, and we will proceed with the POV drive of this beautiful Tiguan.
But there is a new button here. And oh, I see what you mean now.
Yeah, it's horrible.
No, it tries to hug you. It's not horrible, Rob. It's not horrible, it's nice. You're being loved by the car.
I love to be loved. So we're on our way. We just finished the review and the POV drive with the Volkswagen Passat. You can check out that video right here if you want. It was a nice video and it was a nice car. It all looks a little bit the same in this car. The interior is a lot better. Is the title of this car the new Tiguan?
No, probably not, but it gets announced like a new Tiguan every
Yeah, right, alright.
No, it's just the Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI R-Line business. So that's the spec of this car.
Alright.
The R-Line business.
Yeah, it looks really R-Line, but not as nice as in the Passat. This is just normal leather, but you do have the R-Line badge as well. Yeah. Also in the interior, on the steering wheel, and also in the dash, which looks quite nice.
So why did they put it on the dash? But now it looks like an R Tiguan, but that's not the case.
No, it's
or
a
Tiguan R.
Yeah, it's just a package, right?
It's just a package, yeah. Just like an S-Line on an Audi.
Yeah. But they want to...
Does it have something to do with the drive mode, maybe? Or maybe because it's in sport?
No, it still is there.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, atmosphere.
Joy.
Put it into me.
No, enjoy.
Enjoy?
I don't know joy.
Yeah, this is Robin's theme.
Yeah.
We put it into Robin's theme.
It's joy.
Sport joy.
Joyful. So Nick is going to tell you a little bit more about this car.
Yes, because Nicky wants to say more about this car. So this car is actually really nice. No guys, let's get serious. So this car is the new Volkswagen Tiguan, and in comparison to the old one, we have a full modern new interior. So we have the very big center display, as you can see. It's around 15 inches, so pretty big, like comparable to a laptop screen. We do have the upgraded MIB system as well, so that is nice. We have the 1.5 liter TSI, so it's a e-TSI, so it is the mild hybrid version of this car with 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Combined to the DSG transmission. We do actually even have a small electric motor which is capable of delivering up to 18 horsepower when driving or when accelerating. So that is part of the mild hybrid system. We do also have a full hybrid car, a full hybrid drivetrain of this car with a pretty big 20 kilowatt hour battery pack. Which gives this hybrid a range full electric of 100 kilometers. So that is quite a lot. That's a lot bigger than the previous GTE slash hybrid models of Volkswagen. So that is nice. And we do hope to get that car too sometimes for a review. But Robin, you have driven a lot of Tiguans in your life. Is it comparable? Does it drive the same? Does it drive different? What does it feel like?
Yeah, it actually is quite a big car. You have a model bigger than this, but this is already a very big car.
For Europe.
Yeah, for Europe, of course. But the older version of the Tiguan, yeah, you feel a little bit more like you're in a big car. And yeah, I think this car does feel a little smaller because of how light it steers and how easy it goes.
So they actually did a good job.
Yeah, actually they did. But it is still a very big car, so you feel you're very high up. And yeah, you have like some big rims. So
yeah, does it have big wheels? Are these bigger R-line wheels on this thing?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they are equipped with, I think 20 or 20.
Yeah, I think 20.
Yeah, inch wheels. So they are really big, and you feel it when you go over some bumps. But it does drive very nice.
Yeah. So what's the driving like in terms of the drivetrain itself? So the combination of the motor and the gearbox.
Yeah, it feels nice. It's different than the older one. I don't know if it is, but it feels different. It's like more smooth than the older ones. But
yeah, we did also drive the diesel version back then.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, all right. Yeah, it does what you want.
Do you like the gearbox?
Yeah, it's not that fast, but actually, what do you need? It's fast enough, so. But it keeps it in high revs very long.
Yeah, that's like the common problem of a lot of DSG cars and a lot of other automatic transmissions too, that they just hold on to the gears too long in the sport mode and they upshift too soon in the normal drive mode. So like if you really want to drive well, you should put it into manual probably.
Yeah, and now it's in auto hold, so I took off the foot of. That's better than the Passat, because in the Passat it kicks you in the back when you want to drive away, but here it does it quite nice. Let's check it again.
So if you give a bit of throttle now.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it also does it a bit, but not as violently as the other one.
No, it's okay. But if you want to put it off, you can do by the settings of the car, and that are not buttons anymore, but you have to go into the in the system and you put it off on the touchscreen.
It is quite clear though, so that's nice.
Yeah.
But if you want to know more about this car, then don't forget to check out our full review of this car. It's going to be it either is online already or it's going to be online very soon. And of course, don't forget to check out the review of the new Passat as well, which we drove previously. And of course, we're going to make a comparison between the two.
Yeah.
So yeah. So all in all, I think we're very happy with the new updated models of Volkswagen. So the new Passat and the new Tiguan, they really stepped up their game with the interior quality, it all just feels a lot better than it used to be, so that is nice. And the new design is also a new fresh thing to see. So yeah, we're pretty positive about these cars.
So that was it for now. Thanks for watching our video and see you guys in our next one. Ciao.